Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Dee Dee at Home, and today I'm coming in with a quick video, you guys. I'm coming in with this hair tutorial, this install of these bomb twists that I purchased off Amazon. I really like them. They're 18-inch. They are, I think the color is T33, and I'll mention it in the video in a second. It is just a traditional crochet with cornrows. You guys know that I don't typically do a lot of these here on my channel just because I don't cornrow, and so I had to get somebody to cornrow my hair for me. But I really like it. I do like when I get my hair cornrowed to let them put additional hair in with my natural hair as well, just because I feel like that allows the style to last a bit longer. And I do plan on keeping this style for a couple weeks, you guys, so just keep that in mind. This style, you can see it kind of has a ombre effect, and so it goes lighter at the ends. So this is where like the color 33 comes in at the end. Purchase from Amazon has 6 packs. I only use 5. I use 5 and probably like 3 or 4 of them out of the other pack. So this hair is a lot of hair. It's thick, but you guys, it's really light. I really don't feel like I have 5 packs of hair in my head. So as I was saying, if you guys are interested in seeing the different ways that I actually style these bomb twists, let me know in the comments and I'll do a video just showing you some different ways that I plan on wearing my hair like this, because I do plan on wearing it some different ways. If you'll see in the video the way that she actually did the install, I have one braid going at the back of my neck so that I'll be able to do updos as well. So I'm excited about all the different ways that I can wear this hair. You guys know this is kind of like my typical look. Let me know in the comment box, what video do you want to see coming up once I do take these out and do something else. What styles would you like to see here on my channel? Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. When I got it from Amazon, it came in a box and then it came in this package. So it's packaged like this. It has the company name across the front, and that is actually the name. That is the name that was on Amazon when I purchased it. I will put it in the description box if you're interested in trying it out yourself. But the description on Amazon says that this is 6 packs of the Bomb Twist Crochet Hair 18-inch pre-twisted spring twist crochet braids hair. And this is in the color, what color did I get? I got the color T33. I usually get 1B every time. This time I wanted to switch it up. Not quite sure why. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, but we'll see. It's supposed to be a mix of 1B and 33, so that's what it is. So hopefully it looks well. When I got it in, the packages actually look like this. So each bundle or pack of hair actually comes individually wrapped as well. And it also has the color here on the top. So here's what the hair looks like. So at the top you can see it is all pre-looped, and it's on a band like this, so it's banded together, and this is what it looks like. So that's pretty much all the specs in the hair. It doesn't smell anything, it just smells like hair. The individual loops are very neat, which I like. And I think that's it. So if you have any other questions about the hair, drop them in the comment box and I'll definitely answer them for you. Like I said before, I will put a link in the description box. No, this isn't sponsored. I just decided to go ahead on Amazon and buy the hair myself. What I was finding is the hair on Amazon, you guys, is actually a little bit less expensive than the hair that you get in the beauty supply store. So keep that in mind as well. And then they also have, check the return, because they do have free returns on this hair too. So if you get it and you don't like it, you can return it. So that's also a good thing as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started putting it in. Let me go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like. It is cornrow. You guys know I am a part of the I Cannot Cornrow Hair Committee. And I went and I got someone to cornrow my hair like this. it works for me. I don't know. Hopefully one day I'll learn how to cornrow, but the day isn't today. So it just looks like this at the front. I had her do this on the side because I do want to have a side part for this install. And then I'll turn around and show you guys what it looks like in the back. So as you can see, it's one band going at the bottom so that I can pull it up and it'll cover it up, and then the rest of my hair is like this. this hair came out. So give me a thumbs up if you like it as well. I'm just gonna do a quick spin so you guys can see how it looks all the way around. So I really like how this came out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I actually only ended up using basically 5 packs of hair, and it did come with 6 packs of hair. I really like it, the 8. So just to kind of give you guys a like length check, I am 5'4", and the hair actually comes to here on me. So if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, you guys. You know, like I said before, I do absolutely everything here on this channel. It is not just one thing. Y'all not gonna box me in. Just kidding, I'm just playing. So I do everything here on this channel. I hope you consider subscribing, share this video with other people that you know so we can grow this channel here on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye.